Bamboo isn't the only green material we utilize in the flooring of this building. Here in the employee kitchen area and in areas throughout the building, recycled cork is also used. Although cork bark itself is a rapidly renewable resource, cork used here comes from another source, the wine industry. But it's not the building's only unconventional use for a familiar material. Every interior wall in this building uses this cotton batting insulation. If it looks like recycled blue jeans, it's because it is recycled blue jeans. Believe it or not, this insulation has a slightly higher R value than fiberglass. It's also healthier to install and offers good sound density. And its unit cost is only a few cents more than regular fiberglass insulation.